Good morning, dear student. This is a grammar class of 7th standards. Today we are going to learn new lesson, that is the present tense. Okay? It is new lesson number 8, the present tense. It is the topic name or chapter name. Okay, dear students, we had learned related with tense in last year or in previous class. Okay, today we are taking the repetition or revise that lessons. Okay, dear students, look here. Tense. Tense means what? Tense indicate time. Remember this. Tense. Tense means car in Marathi. Car. Okay. Which indicate time. Time means also where or car. Same. Two words same. Remember this. The similar word of tense is time. Tense indicate time. Remember this. Now, okay, look here. There are mainly three kinds of tense. Mainly three kinds. Remember this. Mainly three kinds of the tense. Okay, are you getting that? काळाचे मुख्य किती प्रकार आहेत? 3 प्रकार आहेत. Okay, dear students, look here. The first one is present tense. First one is present tense. What is the spelling of present tense? P-R-E-S-E-N-T. Present tense. T-E-N-S-E. It is the first kind or types. Okay, remember this. It is the similar word of type. Okay, kinds means type. Okay, present tense in Marathi वर्तमान काळ. वर्तमान काळ. Okay, then second number past tense. P-A-S-T. Past. P-A-S-T. Past and tense. T-E-N-S-E. Tense means past tense means in Marathi भूतकाळ. Okay, भूतकाळ. And the third one is future tense. Future. F-U-T-U-R-E. Remember this. Future and tense. T-E-N-S-E means भविष्यकाळ in Marathi. Okay, these are the basically three main kinds of the tense. Are you getting that? These are the three mainly basically kinds of the tense. Okay, I hope that you will understand. Now look here, the present tense. What is meant by the present tense or present tense? Look here, present tense or it is used for present tense. Present tense indicates means show. Remember this, or denote. Okay, present tense indicates that the action took place. Took place means occur. Remember this, or happen. Took place means happen or occur. The action took place in the current situation. Current situation. That means it's going on like that. That shows or indicates the present tense. That is called the present tense. For example, we will take here one example. Look here. Rakesh plays football with his sister. Full stop. Look here. Rakesh plays football with his sister. It is a present tense which shows the action is in current situation. Remember this. I hope that you will understand. The present tense indicates the action took place in current situation. Situation means positions. Okay, now the sub kinds of the present tense. Okay, sub kinds of present tense. Sub kinds means upaprakar. Types. Okay, sub kinds. Sub kind of present tense. Now the first one is simple present tense. In Marathi, साधा वर्तमान काळ. Okay, what is the spelling of simple present tense? S-I-M-P-L-E. Simple. Okay, present. P-R-E-S-E-N-T. Present or tense. T-E-N-S-E. Simple present tense in Marathi, साधा वर्तमान काळ. साधा वर्तमान काळ. Remember this. I write here in short form. साधा वर्तमान काळ. Okay. Now the present continuous tense. Second number or second subkind of the present tense. Present tense means वर्तमान काळ आणि वर्तमान काळाचा दुसरा प्रकार present continuous tense. Continuous means progressive tense. Remember this. The continuous which going on, which continue. Okay. Continuous, the similar words is progressive. Remember this. Or we can say that the imperfect. It have two similar words. Progressive. Remember this. Progressive. Continuous. Continuous, progressive, or we can say that imperfect. These are the similar words. Okay. Present progressive tense, we can also say that. Present imperfect tense, we can say that. Present continuous tense. Okay. आपण चालू वर्तमान काळालाच काय म्हणू शकतो की याला तीन पद्धतीने आपल्याला वाचता येतं किंवा याला तीन नाव आहेत. कंटिन्युअस या शब्दाचे समानार्थी शब्द प्रोग्रेसिव्ह आणि इम्परफेक्ट म्हणजे अपूर्ण असलेला. इम्परफेक्ट म्हणजे काय? अपूर्ण. आणि प्रोग्रेसिव्ह म्हणजे जो चालू आहे, जो पूर्ण नाहीये. कंटिन्युअस म्हणजे काय? चालू आहे. तर यालाच आपण लिहू शकतो चालू वर्तमान काळ. चालू वर्तमान काळ. I hope that you will remember these two similar words, progressive and imperfect of the continuous tense. Okay, or continuous. Now the third type, present perfect tense. Present perfect tense. Okay, present P-R-E-S-E-N-T. Okay, remember, and perfect P-E-R-F-E-C. Perfect tense म्हणजे पूर्ण वर्तमान काळ. पूर्ण वर्तमान काळ. We can write here पूर्ण वर्तमान काळ. Remember this वर्तमान काळ. We can write here वक. Okay, in short form. वक means वर्तमान काळ. Remember this. वक means वर्तमान काळ. व means वर्तमान. व means वर्तमान. Remember this, which shows the Vartaman V means. Okay. Now Purna Vartaman ka. Okay. And then present perfect continuous tense. It is the fourth point or four subkinds. Present perfect continuous tense. Chalu. That means present perfect continuous tense. The action is perfect and also continuous. Remember this. चालू अपूर्ण काळ आपण असं या पद्धतीने आपण त्याला म्हणू शकतो. आय होप दॅट यू विल अंडरस्टँड द ऑल थिंग्स रिलेटेड विथ धिस प्रेझेंट टेन्स. In detail we will see the simple present tense, its structures and its basic all things we will discuss in next period. I hope that you will understand the whole thing related with tense, similar words, and basically three main tenses, and what is meant by the present tense and its subkinds. The remaining part of this lesson we will see in next video. Thank you.